Go.
She gets horrible migraines. Right now she's at a 4 on 1 to 10. That pain you get is right up through there, correct? Not so much over here.
No, right now it is right there. And when you press there, I can feel it like.
Right. Drop your left. Come on. Thank you. That neck's swollen. How did we get through all that? Drop that shoulder. One to 10, how's your head feel? 10's terrible, 0's perfect, 4 was where we were at before in the pain scale.
It's hard to tell when I'm laying down.
Okay. So,
I don't feel it as bad around my eyes right now, so it's probably dropped down until I stand up and I feel the pressure and then
sure. So we're gonna run a Vasier on her also.
What does that do?
So it's microcurrent. It's gonna treat inflammation, as strange as it sounds. It helps with pain. We call it the magic device around here. So tell me when you feel anything.
no.
Okay. No pain or anything with it? Okay. I'm gonna keep turning it up. We have to move it just a little bit, the machine says. Is that still okay?
Mm-hmm.
You all right like that?
Mm-hmm.
Is that pretty strong?
No, it feels pretty good.
Okay. Do 10 minutes. The way I tell patients to think about it is like they found out that charge and inflammation go hand in hand. So the more inflammation you have, the more charge you're going to have. So if you can pull the charge off of inflammation, the inflammation can be dissipated by the body more readily. So yeah, we're using the body's own electrical processes to help get rid of pain and inflammation, get rid of the headache.